Welcome to today's quick guide on how to disable notifications for Reels on the Facebook app with the latest update. If you're tired of getting pinged every time a friend posts a Reel, this short walkthrough will help you silence those alerts in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile photo. This opens your personal account menu where your settings live. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap Settings to access the more detailed options that control your app experience. You'll see a long list of categories, so skip ahead to Notifications. This is where Facebook handles all the alert preferences for posts, messages, and importantly, Reels. Inside Notifications, you'll find a variety of notification groups. Scroll until you see Reels. Tap on Reels to manage the specific alerts for this feature. Here, you'll be able to customize what kinds of Reel notifications you receive, but you're aiming to disable them entirely. Look for the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook or a toggle labeled something similar. Turn that switch off. Once disabled, you won't receive push notifications for new Reels from Facebook on your device, helping you reclaim focus and reduce interruptions. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same path and simply re-enable the toggle. This keeps your feed fresh without the constant ping, giving you control over how you engage with Reels on Facebook. A quick tip: if you're still getting some alerts, double check that you're adjusting the correct account on the device, especially if you manage multiple profiles or use a shared family phone. Also, note that notification settings can vary slightly between app versions, so if something looks a bit different, explore the notifications menu for a moment to find the Reels section. That's it. 3 simple steps to regain your peace and enjoy Facebook without the constant Reel prompts. If you found this helpful, consider saving it for future reference and sharing it with someone who might appreciate quieter notifications.